How to download and install the Glitch wallet. Hi Glitchers! The journey to decentralization begins with self-custody. In this case, a self-custody wallet is the first point of interaction for many decentralized finance users. We've developed the Glitch browser extension wallet, a smooth, user-oriented tool that will allow users to interact with Glitch, and in the future, a plethora of blockchains. In this demonstration, we will walk through the steps to easily download and install the Glitch extension wallet, which currently supports the functionality to switch between the mainnet and testnet networks, send and receive ERC20 Glitch, and view wallet transaction history. Let's begin by downloading the Glitch wallet extension file. First, download the wallet file. Navigate to the glitch.finance website and find the download button in the network menu under the wallet section. We've also included the link in the description below. Once clicked, it will automatically download as a zip file, which will need to be extracted. Second, install the Glitch extension wallet to Chrome. Open Google Chrome and search for the link below. Click the Developer Mode button on the right of the Windows screen and click Load Unpack. Select the Glitch wallet extension file that you have downloaded and extracted in the first tab. Note that at the moment, there is an error button shown. However, it is just a default warning from the Chrome extension for any developer mode file uploaded. Please ignore it, there will be no problem in using the wallet despite that. Third, pin the wallet for easier use. Now you're ready to use the Glitch extension browser wallet. Simply click the extension icon, which is the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of the window in the Chrome browser, to open Glitch wallet. We recommend you pin the Glitch wallet to the browser bar, making it even easier to use. To do so, click the puzzle logo and simply pin the Glitch wallet. You are set! At the moment, the Glitch extension wallet is only available on Google Chrome and Brave browser, but in the future, the wallet will be available on the Chrome store too. Thank you Glitchers for watching, stay tuned for the next video.